Welcome, I am your host Luca, and today I got something fantastic and beautiful for you. Since the Super Bowl is right around the corner, I'm gonna make my beautiful, fantastically delicious Super Bowl chili. That's right, my Super Bowl chili will be the hit of your Super Bowl party. It's fantastic, delicious, so if you're ready and excited and want to know how to make it, let's get started. This is Cooking at Home with Luca.
Start your prep work by mincing garlic and dicing up your tomatoes to put in your chili.
Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil into your pot. Coat the bottom of the pan. Add in your minced garlic and adjust your heat to medium-high, bringing your oil to the proper temperature. Add 1 package of lean ground beef. Begin to break your meat apart. Continue by adding a 1/4 cup of water. Continue breaking down your meat and stirring your ingredients. Add 1.5 cups of vegetable broth. Add about 2 cups of tomato sauce, store-bought or homemade, both are fantastic. Stir your ingredients to mix them together. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. Continue by adding 1 tablespoon of onion powder and stir your ingredients to combine. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a half tablespoon of cumin, some salt and black pepper for taste, add 1 tablespoon of paprika and a half a tablespoon of nutmeg and stir your ingredients to combine. Continue with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, about a half a can of tomato paste, add 1 can of red kidney beans, followed by your pre-prepped diced tomatoes. Add in 1 can of beer. I prefer a red amber beer. Now, my family is boring and they do not like mushrooms or onions, but I would highly recommend adding some mushrooms and onions to this wonderful recipe. Stir your ingredients and let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, reducing the sauce.
There you have it, my fantastic, delicious Super Bowl chili. You'll be the hit of your Super Bowl party when you serve this fantastic, hearty, delicious dish along with some nachos, some beer, pop, whatever. Fantastic, beautiful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, that like button so you get alerted when I upload new and fantastic recipes that you can share with friends and family. Till next time, tutta tavola a mangiare. Ciao.